In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to disassemble and reassemble the tower unit of the crossbar. It will help you understand the structure of the product. First, unlock the lock cap with the key provided. Turn the key gently and do not overturn it. Gently pull the cap off the crossbar. Second, removing the end cap, simply use the tip of the Allen key and gently press down on the clip in order to loose the cap. Then push it out. Lastly, remove the protective rubber and slide the clamp out from the slot. Now we will demonstrate how to repair common issues, such as when the screw is over-tightened or over-loosened, this will cause the safety pin off the position, or some other issues occurred during shipping. We highly recommend a brief inspection is needed after receiving the item. If the pin is off position or loose in position, you may use a plier. Gently remove the pin from the clamp unit. Use a hammer to fix the shape of the pin back to straight line, which help you reposition it on the clamp unit. Gently insert the pin through the pinhole on the clamp unit. Put the head of the screw back onto the slot on the clamp unit. Then use a plier slightly to tap on the pin. Make sure the pin is on its proper position. Use a hammer tap on the front nut. Ensure it's securely tight on the clamp unit, not popping out. Lastly, slide the clamp unit back on the bar. Place the protective pad back on. Insert the end cap and lock cap. Then lock it with the key.